Hey you guys, what is up? Welcome back. Yes, we're going back to the classics of room tour. Yes, thank you, about time. I had made a previous room tour before. I'll link it down below, but my aesthetic has evolved. I always like cute things and just cute things, but my love for cute things evolved, and now you're gonna be able to see it implemented in my room, and I am very, very proud of my room and where it got to. I still have a few things I want to add and things, I feel like no one's ever gonna be so satisfied with the room yet, but it is way more than how I had it before. And why am I using my hands a lot? Anyways, so yes, hope you guys enjoyed this room tour and let me know what you guys think of it down below. Let's go. Hey guys, so we're starting off the tour outside of the door because I remember back in the days, that's how people would start the room tour. So as you can see, that's my room. The LED lights, everyone has them these days, but let's go in. And close the door, my squeaky door though, ew. So this is the back of my door. These stickers I recently put up. I'll put it here where I got them, but aren't they so cute? One of my friends said it looks like the Monsters Inc. door, and I was just like, oh my god, yes. I just have it here, and I just have a random sticky note and my little board that I just tend to put like, motivating little messages for myself. And here's just a little scripture decor. Next to my door is my bookshelf that of course I really love, and I'm so glad I got this bookshelf whenever I did because I just love the structure and the design of it. So in the top, oh my god, you can't see, there you go, I have this Guardians of the Galaxy pop of Groot and Rocket because I love Groot and Rocket, so I just have it in there on display. Then I have this little storage boxes that I keep some of my stickers for my little top loader decorating business. One of them is like my South Korea memory box, and then over here are my cup holders cup sleeves. There you go, cup sleeves from the events I went to when I was in Korea. And there's Leon. Next over here, okay, sorry about this shelf. I didn't even bother to organize it. Basically it's my jewelry one, and I just have a bunch that I wear and then I throw. Yeah, this cute little teapot, and then two of my orders from my little business. Then over here is just my pin collection, and then some little figures which are so cute. This is a coin piggy bank, there you go. And look at these cute little things. I love them so much. And of course Groot, which I stole from my brother's room. Down below are my K-pop albums. I haven't bought any new ones because I'm not so into K-pop, but I still love it, but not as how I was before. But anyways, I have of course Anita's album on display and my Paramore After Laughter album. So over here is like my little, I call it my Korea corner, but I actually don't have any Korea things. I turned around this picture I had of me and my friends that I studied abroad with just for their privacy, and just some cute decor. Look at this one. Oh, I love it. And yeah, this is basically it. And yeah, these are basically it, some postcards. Then over here is just my little camera collection, I guess you can say. I don't really collect them, but it looks pretty nice. And then my name. Down below is just, all of the rest is just like decor, as you can see. And over here is my Legos, which I recently started getting into Legos. I always like Legos, but not really build. But now that they have like these bouquet and flower series, I'm like, yes. So we have La Catrina, the roses, and of course the famous flower bouquet, and just a candle. So that is my shelf. Next to my shelf is my closet, which I will just show you briefly. I'm not going to tour that because I don't think it's that tidy either. But outside I just have my Care Bear reusable bag, and once again the stickers. So let me turn on the light and show you just how it looks. So yeah, all my bags in here, and then I just have my bags, perfume, makeup, And that's basically it, nothing interesting. Next to the closet is my mirror, which I really like, and down there I just have some cute friends, and then of course just remember that I take my Instagram OOTDs in, and I just put this little grass, flower, whatever this is over it, because I really like to add like naturey features to my room. I have my yoga mat, which I only use one time since I bought it, but I'm trying. Next to my mirror is my bed, the holy grail, the place where I come to and cry and sleep and everything. Look who decided to come. That's my dog Toby. By the way, he has an Instagram if you guys want to follow. So yeah, this is my bed. The bedding, I believe I had gotten it at home. It's so cute. And yes, I love plushies, specifically Care Bears, as you guys can see. But I just have these cute little frames on my wall, and this like, what are they called, leaves I guess, that I had bought in, I think from Shane. But yeah, this is basically my bed, which I really like. And I just have some cute decor right there, and this stress relief mist that I put in my bed always, my Care Bears little flower. And next to my bed is just my nightstand. It's just like very old wood side dresser. I have this candle, which by the way, it smells so good. It is Champagne Toast by Bath and Body Works. And then I have my AirPod case, my LED lights controller, and of course a fake plant. And then here I just have miscellaneous stuff, you know. Then I have my curtain, which I really like my curtain. I had gotten it at Walmart. It's like these cute little pom-poms, so cute. And then on the sides, of course, I added a bit more of the naturey features I told you. And now let's move on to my favorite part of the room. Wait, I forgot to show this little cute dog mat that I have next to my bed. It's so little, but it's so cute. I had gotten it in Daiso in Korea. Now let's move to my favorite part of my room, which if you follow me on Instagram, you probably know what that area is. And it is my desk area. This is my workspace, my study space, my everything space, my creative space. I love this area so much, and it's finally to the point where I'm so satisfied with it, but I still have more things to work with it. So first of all, my desk, I got it at home, as well as my chair. And my chair, I just have this cute little pillow that says this is my happy place, because it is. And let me just show you a quick overview. I'm not gonna go in detail of everything because I feel like that could be another video of like a full-on detail of my desk, but this is just, you know, your standard desk things. By the way, I do make top loaders. If you guys are interested, go follow my Instagram, because yeah, I really have fun making them. And of course my laptop, my keyboard, which I love. I had gotten it off Amazon. And just more cute little things. This mirror, ATs. So yeah, so this is my desk, and these cute little decorations, and of course more leaves. Next to my desk is just this chair that I got at Sam's, and this cute little pillow from at home. It's just the sun, and then just my ring light. And then on top I just have this frame of like, you know, the world. And I eventually want to put pins where I've been, but I've only been to Mexico and Korea as of now, but I hope that one day there can be many pins. And that is basically it. And actually, let me show you guys how it looks like with the lights off, because it's even better. I love my room when the lights are off. It's just more of a vibe, and I feel like everyone these days has LED lights for that reason. It just puts everything really well together. But yeah, what do you guys think? I am literally 23 years old with all of these plushies, but hey, it makes me happy and it's okay. So there you go, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed my room tour, and yeah, it's just really exciting to share with you guys my home, my place here in my home. And yes, I will see you guys in the next video. And if you guys want to see more about my room and stuff, then follow me on Instagram, because I tend to post a lot about my desk, specifically because I really like it. But yes, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and that's it for now. Bye.